In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find low domain rating, or DR, sites using Semrush or Ubersuggest. First, let's quickly discuss what low DR means. DR, or domain rating, is a metric that shows the strength of a website's backlink profile. In general, low DR sites, which have a score ranging from 20 to 50, are easier to obtain backlinks from, while high DR sites, usually with scores of 70 and above, provide more authority but are much harder to get links from. Let's start with Semrush. To begin using Semrush, head over to their website at www.semrush.com. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If not, creating a free account is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, look for the Backlink Analytics feature in the left-hand menu. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter a keyword or a domain of a competitor in which you are interested. Doing so will lead you to a wealth of information regarding backlink profiles. Next, focus on the Referring Domains tab. This section will display all the websites linking to the domain you entered. Here's the key part. You'll want to sort this list by the authority score column to easily identify those with a score between 20 and 50. These are the sites referred to as low to medium DR websites, which are ideal targets if you're seeking accessible backlink opportunities. After identifying these potential sites, it's advisable to save or export the list, either as a CSV or Excel file, so you can track and manage potential reach outs effectively. Now, let's shift gears and explore how you can achieve similar results using Ubersuggest. Start by visiting Ubersuggest at neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Like Semrush, you'll need to log in with either a free or a paid account. Once logged in, type your competitor's domain into the search bar, select your country, and hit search. This action directs you to a page filled with insights into your competitor's backlinks. Focus your attention on the backlinks section, which is available in the left sidebar. By scrolling down, you can view a list of domains that link back to your competitor's website. Here's a particularly handy tool. Use the domain authority filter to sift through the list of backlinks. Set the filter to show domains with scores between 20 and 50. This filtering will help you identify low DR sites that could be potential candidates for acquiring backlinks. Lastly, don't forget to use the export function to save these findings into a spreadsheet. By doing so, you can easily analyze the results later, reviewing for relevant blogs, directories, or websites that you might approach for potential collaboration or backlink opportunities. And there you have it. With these tools and steps, you're all set to find low DR sites using Semrush and Ubersuggest, which can significantly aid your efforts in building backlinks.